New words for you to learn today. Bedroom. Bedroom.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my bedroom.
Bathroom. Bathroom.
Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
Upstairs, first door.
Kitchen. Kitchen.
I'm making coffee. I'll meet you in the kitchen.
Living room. Living room.
Let's watch TV.
Okay, sit in the living room.
Garden. Garden.
Your flowers are beautiful.
Thank you. I work in my garden.
Office. Office.
Where's your laptop?
In the office. I work there.
Garage. Garage.
Where's your car?
In the garage.
Attic. Attic.
Where are the old books?
In the attic.
Basement. Basement.
Is the washing machine downstairs?
Yes, in the basement.
Room. Room.
How many rooms are in your house?
5 rooms.
That's it for today. Great job!